Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today we are having a sushi mukbang, y'all. I love sushi, especially California rolls. That's like my favorite. So California rolls, let me show that to you. Look how good that looks, y'all. So good. Then we have a salad with some really good sweet dressing sauce for it. It's gonna be really good. And then we have some egg rolls here. Let me show this to you as well. So good. Some sweet sauce, dipping sauce. I think it's sweet and sour sauce. And then of course we have the wasabi. And I forgot what this is called, y'all, but I'm sure y'all know what this is. So let's get into it. Y'all, I am starving. Of course I worked out today, but I meant to let y'all know I got the viral crunchy garlic, y'all. If y'all have not gotten this, you gotta get it. It looks so good. I'm actually gonna try it for the first time tonight. But apparently you can put it on a lot of different things, but definitely sushi is supposed to taste really good. So I'm so curious about that. So it's crunchy garlic with chili oil. Get it on TikTok. And it's chili oil with fried garlic and almonds. It's great. Oh, it tells you it's great for tofu, noodles, salads, and chicken. I guess I got to stir well before I open. So let me go to open it right now. Well, let's see. Consume soon after opening. So I'm gonna open it up, y'all. Let me smell it, see how it smells. It does smell good. It's like a sweet chili smell, because that's pretty much what it is. So supposed to stir it really good. Y'all see that? You can tell it's real crunchy. Oh, I cannot wait to try this, y'all, on my sushi. That's gonna be so good. All right. Let's do chopsticks. Definitely about to do a thumbnail so soon here. I can take this apart. All right, so let me have that ready. Let's go ahead and do my soy sauce. Get this out the way a little bit. Get my soy sauce on here. I like a lot of soy sauce on my sushi, y'all. I know it's bad, but it tastes so good. Oh God. I'm so excited to try this, y'all. So excited. Not put too much, but I'm gonna try one on there by itself, and then I'll do like the other ones with the wasabi and stuff like that. But I'm just so curious how this is gonna taste. God, I know it's gonna taste so good. Okay. I hope I like it. Hold on. I'm kind of like trying to grab it. I'm good at this. Why am I not doing it right tonight? It's weird. Oh, come on. I know how to grab this with these. And I have a fork, y'all, just in case I get tired of using the chopsticks. All right, let's go. I like it. Yeah. It's really good. Let's do another one. Gotta get used to it. I like the sweet chili taste flavor with the sushi egg roll. I mean the egg roll, the California roll. Let's try another one. It's good. I don't love it, but I like it. I'll get this one now. So good. Some more. When I say I like a lot, I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding with y'all. Put wasabi on the other one. Oh, don't break. Please don't break. Damn it. Dang it. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh, crap. I didn't get that one good. Get this one there. I don't like a whole lot of wasabi on my sushi rolls. So I try to put just a little bit. I think a lot of people do put a little bit on there. I don't know if people put, it is spicy, so I would think people probably do put a little bit on there. I don't know, y'all don't eat sushi like that, but I do once in a long while. No, it was gonna be perfect. No, that was gonna be perfect. No, you know what? I'm just gonna pick it up. Whatever. That was too much wasabi. Oh my god. Oh, I'm literally crying. I put way too much wasabi in that. It's time for a drink. This is strawberry water, y'all. Really healthy. There's like zero everything on here. So good, so tasty. It tastes like there's sugar in it, but it's not. It's probably artificial or something. Let's try an egg roll, y'all. While it's nice and warm. Oh yeah, look at that. Maybe thumbnail. I'm probably gonna use that as a thumbnail. I don't know. Y'all, what do they call these? Like a certain name for these really small egg roll type of things. I forgot what they call them. Say it in the comments. Whatever. So good. I really enjoy this meal, y'all. Some more of this. Let's get some more. Please, let me grab this one good. Please. Oh, please, please, please don't fall. Please don't fall. Come on. Hey, almost. Come on. I'm supposed to be really good at this. What's going on? Oh, it's just not being right. Okay. It's so good. me some more. Try a little. This time, very little, like very little. Too much, I think. It's good enough right there. Come on, let me get this one. Please, please, please. Mm. Got the avocado. Whatever, let's try this salad. I'm not sure what type of sauce this is, but that was weird when I opened it up, like a sizzling sound. I feel like it's gonna be really good though. I have no idea. This is very different looking. Look at that. That is different. Let's see if I like it. I don't know. Hope I like it. Probably shouldn't get a big piece. I mean, it's just sweet lettuce, practically. All right. Somewhat healthy. Oh, lettuce. Let me get some avocado. I'm doing that so wrong. Right there, duh. Let's put this on top of her. Excuse me. How do y'all think the weeks go by fast? I swear to God, it's like the weeks go by so fast and the weekends come back just as fast. Like all of it seems so fast to me. It's like I wish weekends were longer. And we're back to work week again. It's crazy. That's so good. Okay, let's try this avocado. Please let me get it. Please. Okay. Another avocado on it. I never ate avocado before. Let's see. Put this back on there. On there. Okay. Oh yes. Oh yes. Delicious. Delicioso. So more egg rolls. Yeah. Get some more. Actually, I liked it. I don't care for it too much on the sushi. I'm gonna try it on other things like chicken. I think it said tofu. I don't even like tofu though. It says right here. I'll try it on like chicken. It says salad. Let me see what is on the salad. Oh, too much on there. Well, see if I like it on the salad better. But noodles, I'll eat noodles. I'm not a noodle person, but I'll eat noodles. But yeah, look at it closely, y'all. Y'all don't know what it is. This is viral. I mean, a lot of people are getting this on TikTok. It's supposed to be really good. And it's mild. You can get like a certain hot level. So it's like a mild hot, you know, whatever hot level you want to get. But yeah. But yeah, I'm going to try it on chicken for sure. And noodles. I'm going to try it on salad. Oh, yeah. Let's see, y'all. Let's see. This is really good. Nah. I didn't care for it too much on the salad at all. Sushi was, I don't need it, so I'm not going to do it for that no more. But I'm going to try the chicken for sure. Let's see if that is. It's not bad, y'all. I mean, it's sweet chili. It's just crunchy. You know, it's different. I had to try it. If I were to rate it, just the taste itself, 7. I give it a 7. It's not as good as I was hoping it was going to be. It's kind of good, you know, but maybe it just depends on what you put it on too. So I just don't care for it on sushi much. I'd rather do just this way. It's better to me. Comment below what's your favorite sushi. Like, what's your favorite? What do you get that you always get? Just do it like this. Yummy, yum. More salad. This is healthy. Grab that one good. Come on. It's like the more I eat it, the better it's getting. Oh, not bad. Not great, but not bad. That one was good. I love this so much. One thing about sushi, y'all, it does not taste good anymore after it's been in the refrigerator for a while. Like 2 days, the rice starts to taste funny. It's not soft anymore. So I try to eat sushi as soon as I buy it. I learned my lesson. Learn my lesson. Or at least take a break and eat the rest of it later, you know? Okay, this one has to be, come on. Put this one. You know, I've been doing lately, like I need to start doing more of, is not eating to get full. Because for one, it's not good to do that. It don't feel good to do that because when you're full, you're like tired, really tired. Your stomach almost hurts. And I'm kind of like, I eat to be satisfied. I'm trying to focus on eating to be satisfied, which I think is healthy to do that. And I'm getting satisfied right now. I want to finish this, but I feel like if I finish this, I'm going to be full, but it tastes so good. Like if I just eat one more, right? One more, y'all. I'm going to eat one more and a little bit of salad and I'm done, y'all. Because I'm starting to feel like my stomach about to explode and I don't want to get to that point. So take this last good yummy bite and it better be a good grab. I'm going to be mad. Yeah, okay, this is a good grab, y'all. Look at that. All right, y'all. I am done. I am done. I dropped a video yesterday. Check out the video. What was I eating? I forgot what I ate yesterday. How can I forget that? It's just yesterday. What did I eat yesterday? I feel like it was bad. How can I forget what I had yesterday? I totally forgot. But check out my video that I made yesterday. I'll make one more video tomorrow. I try to do 3 videos a week. I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow, but it's going to be something else healthy. This was healthy, I guess, right? I mean, yeah, I guess it's better than pizza and fried foods, I'll tell you that much. But yeah, y'all, check my description for my other social medias. I'm really doing well on TikTok, Crystal Food Queen on TikTok. You'll see my information in the description below. Again, thank you for coming to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more. I'm open to suggestions, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.